Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about big shipping container homes, we are referring to residential structures that move beyond the tiny house movement. While many container homes use a single 20-foot or 40-foot unit, a big shipping container home utilizes multiple high-cube containers, often 4, 6, or even 10 units, stacked or joined together to create a sprawling, multi-bedroom living space. These homes represent a shift in modern architecture where industrial durability meets high-end luxury. By combining these steel modules, homeowners can achieve vast open concept floor plans, soaring ceilings, and expansive square footage that rivals traditional stick-built mansions, all while maintaining the unique, edgy aesthetic of repurposed sea freighters. The benefits of going big with shipping containers are numerous, starting with incredible structural integrity. Because containers are designed to withstand harsh ocean environments and heavy loads, a home built from multiple containers is naturally resistant to fire, termites, and extreme weather conditions. Beyond durability, these homes offer a significant speed advantage. The core structure is already built, allowing for a much faster assembly time compared to traditional brick-and-mortar construction. Furthermore, they are a win for the environment. By upcycling several tons of steel that would otherwise sit dormant in a shipyard, you are significantly reducing the carbon footprint of your build. From a design perspective, the modular nature of big container homes allows for unique architectural feats, such as massive cantilevers and rooftop terraces, that would be much more expensive to engineer with wood or stone. Decorating the exterior of a large container home is all about balancing the industrial box look with organic textures to create visual warmth. One of the most effective ways to make a big container home look high-end is through the use of mixed cladding. Combining the raw, corrugated steel with warm cedar wood slats or sleek fiber cement panels breaks up the repetitive lines and adds a layer of sophistication. Large-scale glazing is also essential. Replacing entire steel walls with floor-to-ceiling glass windows not only floods the interior with light, but also creates a stunning jewelry box effect at night. Additionally, consider integrating vertical gardens or living walls onto the steel sides. The contrast between the cold metal and vibrant green plants softens the industrial edge, making the home feel more integrated into its natural landscape. Don't forget professional outdoor lighting. Using uplights to highlight the texture of the containers can make the home look like a piece of modern art. The beauty of large-scale container living is its versatility, but a few styles truly stand out as the best for this medium. The industrial modern style is the most popular, leaning into the raw steel aesthetic with dark matte paints, exposed bolts, and glass bridges. If you prefer something softer, the Scandinavian minimalist approach works beautifully. By painting the containers in whites or light grays and adding light-colored wood decks, the home feels airy and serene. For those in rural areas, the modern farmhouse container style is gaining traction. Using gabled roofs added on top of the containers and whitewashed exteriors to blend tradition with innovation. Finally, the luxury cantilever style is for the bold, where containers are stacked perpendicularly, creating dramatic overhangs that provide shaded outdoor living areas and a futuristic, gravity-defying silhouette. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best big shipping container home ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the Twin Pavilion Forest Retreat. This design features two distinct container wings connected by a central glass walkway, perfectly nestled into a lush forest. The burnt orange exterior pays homage to the original industrial look, while the massive floor-to-ceiling windows allow the interior to merge seamlessly with the surrounding greenery, creating a peaceful sanctuary. 2. The elevated cantilevered mansion. A stunning example of modern engineering, this home uses a central masonry core to support two massive container wings that seem to float over the landscape. The contrast between the dark brick and the cream-colored steel creates a commanding presence, while the gabion stone walls at the entrance add a rugged, earthy texture. 3. The ultra-modern white cubic villa. This high-contrast design utilizes crisp white containers stacked in a staggered formation over a dark-framed glass base. The clean lines and minimal color palette give it a sophisticated, gallery-like feel, making it the perfect inspiration for those who love high-end, minimalist architecture. 4. The illuminated luxury pool house. Taking container living to the heights of luxury, this two-story home features expansive glass walls that glow against the night sky. The design includes a seamless transition to a massive concrete patio and a sunken fire pit next to a sleek infinity pool, proving that shipping containers can be the foundation for a true resort-style lifestyle. 5. The tropical tiered terrace home. Designed for warm climates, this multi-level container home features deep balconies and integrated palm trees. The use of white paint reflects the sun, while the wood-slatted ceilings under the overhangs provide a tropical, breezy aesthetic that feels like a high-end eco-resort. 6. The urban industrial masterpiece. This home masterfully blends corrugated gray steel with warm horizontal wood siding and stone accents. The unique window placements and the prominent address signage give it a chic, urban personality that fits perfectly into a modern neighborhood, while still standing out as a piece of architectural art. 7. The open-air structural pavilion. This design focuses on the skeleton of the build, using steel beams to create massive sheltered outdoor living spaces between containers. The rooftop gardens and the dramatic staircase leading to a floating glass box make this a perfect layout for those who love entertaining and indoor-outdoor living. 8. The geometric floating bedroom suite. This home features a bold dark teal container perched atop a bright white base, supported by V-shaped structural columns. The cantilevered section creates a protected patio below, while the huge sliding glass doors on the upper level offer panoramic views from the primary bedroom. 9. The matte black multi-level compound. For those who love a moody, sophisticated look, this matte black container home is the ultimate choice. The U-shaped layout creates a private courtyard with a wooden deck and dining area, while the elevated sections provide secluded balconies for a multi-generational living setup. 10. The mirrored twin sunset villa. This incredible design features two identical container structures joined by a central glass entryway. The reflective surfaces and wide-span windows capture the golden hour perfectly, emphasizing the home's symmetry and the vast, open landscape it sits upon. Building a big shipping container home is about more than just finding a place to live. It is about making a statement. It is a commitment to sustainable living, architectural creativity, and a lifestyle that breaks away from the cookie-cutter mold. Whether you are drawn to the raw industrial edges or the sleek, glass-heavy luxury models, these homes prove that with enough imagination, steel boxes can become the most beautiful residences on the planet. If you're feeling inspired to start your own container home journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more incredible architectural tours. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of home design.